Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the panel and measuring paint thickness. This tells you how much clear coat you can safely remove. Once cleaned and decontaminated, you'll clay the surface to remove bonded contaminants. This prevents scratching during correction. Make sure to mask trim and seal gaps so compound won't migrate. Set consistent lighting at around 5,000 to 6,500 K and a stable temperature. This reveals true color and defects. Now choose pads and abrasive grade based on depth readings and defect severity. You'll work methodically in 2-foot by 2-foot sections so you can track progress and product removal. Start with a more aggressive abrasive for deep defects. Run the polisher at lower speed to spread product, then increase to cut, watch heat buildup. Once defects reduce, switch to finer polish and softer pad to refine gloss and restore color depth. Make sure to wipe each pass with solvent to check results. This shows whether you reduced orange peel or color shift, and if further correction is needed. You finish by refining with a fine polish to remove micro-marring, and then apply a protective sealant or ceramic layer to lock in color. Once done, give the surface a cool down, then inspect under controlled lighting for holograms, haze, or color inconsistency. Rework only the small areas needed. If you encounter burn-through or thin spots, stop immediately. Feather sand and blend, then spot prime and clear coat. This prevents large repairs. Troubleshoot by isolating the spot and correcting in small stages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.